2025 has been one of the most destructive years for floods across the globe. From Asia to South America, millions of lives were disrupted. Today, we take you through 10 of the most devastating floods of the year, what caused them, the damage, and the human stories behind the numbers. In Pakistan, relentless monsoon rains from June to September caused catastrophic flooding across multiple provinces. Over 1 million people were affected, with rivers like the Ravi, Sutlej, and Chenab overflowing their banks. Dozens of lives were lost, entire villages submerged, and thousands displaced. In Bolivia, heavy rainfall throughout March triggered widespread floods. More than 55 people lost their lives, and hundreds of thousands were affected across the lowlands and Amazon regions. Northern Vietnam faced severe floods from late September to mid-October, intensified by 3 tropical cyclones, Ragasa, Bualoy, and Matmo. Rivers burst their banks, dams were pushed to their limits, and more than 80 people were reported dead or missing. In India's Punjab region, torrential monsoon rains combined with dam releases resulted in the worst flooding in decades. Over 1,400 villages were affected, impacting 3.5 million people. From mid-July to mid-August, South Korea endured multiple waves of heavy rain. Flash floods and landslides killed at least 23 people, with over 18,000 evacuated. Nepal experienced 2 major glacial lake outburst floods in 2025. In May, 2 high mountain lakes burst, sending ice, rock, and water crashing into downstream villages. In July, another GLOF destroyed the Rasuagadi Friendship Bridge, killing several and cutting off Nepal-China trade routes. In Brazil's Rio Grande do Sul, mid-June storms triggered major river overflows, impacting 127 municipalities. Thousands were displaced and homes swept away. In late May, flash floods devastated Niger state in Nigeria. At least 151 people were killed and thousands lost their homes. Contaminated water raised alarms about potential cholera outbreaks. China faced multiple severe floods in 2025. In Guizhou, heavy rainfall forced mass evacuations. In another event, floods around Beijing and Hebei killed at least 38 people, displacing more than 80,000. In September, Bali suffered its worst floods in more than 10 years. Heavy rains triggered landslides, damaging homes and killing at least 17 people. These floods are a reminder of the growing impact of climate change on our world. Rising temperatures mean more extreme rainfall, more glacial melt, and more lives at risk. Stay informed, stay prepared, and help raise awareness. Like and follow for more sustainability insights.